Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 6 with Inventor software. Okay, you can click Start New Parts. In here I will change units. You can click Document Settings, go to Units, and I will change length units into millimeter. You can click OK. Click 3D models and click Start to the sketch. We can choose after this plane. In here I will create line start from this point, and you can move to drag here. We can set into 15. The next move to the top we can set into 40. Okay, you can use scroll mouse to zoom in, and I will click at this point. Move to the top, we can set into 5, and you can click at escape button, press escape button to close this line command. The next I will use dimension tools. We can set dimension distance from this point into here, and in here I will set into 20. For angles I will set into 135. You can press enter. Now I will use offset command. Select these objects. We can use offset distance 5. Use a line command to connect between these two objects, and also after this point I will create line from this point to the top, and now we can create a line again from this point to drag here. I will set into 10. You can click at this point. Okay, you can click Finish Sketch. Now we can use a revolve command to convert these objects into 3D models. You can click here Revolve. You can select at this face. The next for axis, you can select this line. For direction, I will use symmetric, and for angle, we can set into 30 degree. You can click OK. I will active for sketch 1. You can right click and check visibility. We can use this command, circular pattern. For feature, we can select these objects, and for rotation axis, we can click at this point. The next for items, we can set into 4, and you can click OK. So it will be copied into 4 objects. We can use a revolve command again. I will select at this region. For axis, we can click this line. Okay, 360 degree. For angles, we can click OK. Now we can orbit. You can press Shift button and with middle mouse hold. Click, hold, and then you can use orbit tools. In here I will create new plane. You can click here, plane, select at this point. You can set for vertical and horizontal. This for horizontal. Click, and then we set again. We can set into vertical. Click again. The next we can create new sketch. You can click here, start to the sketch, select at this plane. Block plane 2. In here we can create circle, start from this point. We can set for diameter into 10, and then we can click again. We can set diameter into 6. The next you can click Finish Sketch. In here I will hide for sketch 1. You can uncheck for visibility. Now in here we can use Extrusion Tools to cut from this point. You can move into this direction and change for join into cut, and you can click OK. The next we can use Extrusion Tools to extrude. We need to active for sketch 2. Okay, we active first this sketch, click visibility, and use Extrude Tools to extrude at this point. Move into here. Okay, you can use this option. Into this point, and for in here we can set into 3. We can click OK. We can use the extrude tool again to extrude at this space 3 and click OK. The next we need to cut in here, so we can create sketch again. Select at this plane. We can create circle from the center point. Move into here. Click Finish Sketch, and now in here we can use Extrusion Tool, Extrude Cut to cut this in this point. You you can click here extrude, select a piece face. Next, move to the top. You can click OK. So it will be automatically cut. Now we can use a circular pattern again. You can click here circular patterns. For feature, I will use this option, pattern solid. Sorry, we need to use this option, features. And for feature, you can select extrusion 2, 3, and 4. This for extrusion 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. The next for rotation axis, you can click in here. So it will be automatically rotate. For item, we can set into 6. You can click OK. So it will be automatically copy. And in here you can also hide for this workbench. So you uncheck for visibility, and in here visibility. Next for schedule visibility. And we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 6 with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.